Thousands of species of cactus plants exist in the wild, including two large groups of cacti grown as houseplants, desert cacti and forest cacti. Both groups thrive indoors with relatively little maintenance and come in many sizes. In this video, I will cover all the topics of care: how often do you water a cactus, sunlight requirements, and more. Light. Cacti require 4 to 6 hours of bright sunlight daily. However, some species of both desert and forest cactus can burn in direct sunlight. Locate your cactus near a sunny window and opt for a spot that receives filtered bright light in the summer and direct light, like a south or west-facing window, in the winter. Soil. Desert cactus grows best in a fast-draining soil mix designed specifically formulated for cacti. They also grow well in regular potting soil amended with sand, pebbles, or perlite to increase drainage and aeration. Forest cactus likes well-draining soil as well, but can often grow just fine in a regular potting mix. During the spring and summer, when your cactus is actively growing and blooming, give it a hearty drink every 10 days, allowing the water to drain thoroughly. During the winter rest period, decrease waterings to once every 4 weeks. Temperature and humidity. Cactus prefers hot temperatures, ranging from 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. In the winter, the plant prefers a cool-down period, with temperatures hovering near 55 degrees Fahrenheit.